Growth hormone deficiency in children, disorders of growth and development, skeletal maturation and somatic growth. The growth plate is dependent on a variety of hormonal stimuli: growth hormone, IGF-1, sex steroid, thyroid, paracrine growth factors, and cytokines. Mainly GH, IGF-1, sex steroids, and thyroid, of course. Paracrine and cytokines. The growth hormone promoting process also requires caloric energy, amino acid, vitamins, trace metals. Consumes 10% of normal energy production. Malnutrition impairs the chondrocyte activity, increases the GH resistance, reduces the circulating IGF-1 and IGF binding protein 3 levels. Malnutrition will increase the GH resistance. Linear bone growth rates are very high in infancy and they are pituitary dependent. Mean growth velocity is 6 cm per year in later childhood and is usually maintained within the given range on a standardized percentile chart. Peak growth rate occur during mid-puberty, that is 12 for 13 and 12 for girls and 13 for boys. Secondary sexual development is associated with elevated sex steroid that cause progressive epiphyseal growth plate closure. Bone age is delayed in patients with all forms of true GH deficiency or GH receptor defects, right? So growth plate bone age will be delayed in GH deficiency disorders. Short stature may occur as a result of constitutive intrinsic growth defects or because of acquired extrinsic factors. Right. In general, delayed bone age in a child with short stature is suggestive of a hormonal or a systemic disorder, whereas normal bone age in short stature is because of genetic cartilage dysplasia or growth plate disorder. Okay, so short stature with delayed bone age is because of hormone disorder. Short stature with normal bone age is because of cartilage disorder or growth plate disorder. So GH deficiency in children. GH deficiency. Isolated GH, if there is only GH deficiency, it is associated with short stature, micropenis, increased fat, high-pitched voice, and propensity to hypoglycemia due to relatively unopposed insulin action. Okay, hypoglycemia हो जाएगा. तो isolated GH deficiency will be seen in short stature, micropenis, increased fat, high-pitched voice, and hypoglycemia. Familial mode of inheritance are seen in at least 1/3 of this individual. So they can be childhood है तो familial हो सकता है, autosomal dominant, recessive और X-linked. 10% of children with growth hormone deficiency have mutation in GHN gene. Okay, including gene deletion and a wide range of point mutation in transcription factor PIT1 and PROP1. Okay, we had already discussed PIT1 and PROP1 during prolactin. PIT1 and PROP1 mutation in these transcription factors, which also control the somatotrope development, result in GH deficiency.